right, Yama Obibia Kwabio and I pay area and and famra say Obet Network as usual soba. Don't forget say Obe subscribe now for unswati ma share na ode amonyana fonya etimi ahye jumede de mama bibia etimi akoso kama ewo nkomna na pay your exclusive enso a eda ha ye de onsem no ede ebreberum okrobia kumasi Asante Kotoko na fe ada issues a pop up ewo yen Ghana football no no ye de onsem enso tuma na fa boa ama jumede no etimi etimi alpha nentuma pa enso etimi alpha yes blasters of Ghana ejuna kono against Panama enti yebere sene na yenso de besi akọ wabra England ana fe crossu enso eboni nyina behwe sene results no ebesi akọ na fe aboama yenso mode boni nyina no yabe se ene be de because ohe ahemfonum ana fe eye abamu mpanyfo a omotimi a visit the blasters or camper. You could call it say blasters and Ankasa Eda Omakuma so ni yebehwe na fe yetimi edin komo Thomas Partey latest update ni nyina you don some ba when first of all the tin here Asante Kotoko Mr. Menzo Stanley and I say Mr. Stanley Menzo and so ebehwe na fe obuna ketem this weekend na wetima ko pm baby o free eba na akoko boabo no na fe bibia ere and so etimi akoso kama. And don't forget, Sam, opinion Jumadi Obabedino, and Yankra for 1 year contract to sign Sir Obabaya Jumanadi. You could call it say after 6 seasons when we ever say your opinion pay for Bana to us. And I said pay for Emmanuel the Enso Entimen to us based on the performance of Badanadi, our 1 year contract. Yeah, de Aman Ewan because and Mimpa Mebane say, Plessy, our performance about Kosoro. Yes, plus I'm your opportunity. Anso etimero Kotoko wabra Menzo abey our performance de enso ebetima koso na fe etimaboa because our performance ekosora eboa ama Menzo enso tumedi a obabedi enso etima fa ne tuma perfect ama wo player no enso etima nya ho resource ama wo player no enso etima nya ho de resource because o he baby o free air bar a possibility say yes start season no new season no you bet me Asante Kotoko play bia onu so ebu ni ketem every Ghana enso timako. That is me motive and enema me bompa ye ewo ho no and me sure say obi an be ya adwen say if says asema me ke etimi bema ye benya Asante Kotoko play sia enya more offense enso timati kwa na afi club let menye sika ure asema me ke hwedi because opinion yakaso bi kuta links a untimi enka na fe unyi Menzo enfem frim wasate transfer juma bi ewa hanim sa mede wonsam ebrew with the scout team scout members see a hero first o say tutu o free Ashtown oba ya juma bi ewa so omodi player bi ama Menzo say me no kasai o monitor situation no yeba IMC nso abaso the reporter Asante Kotoko IMC come aboard no and don't forget say omu make sure say enima mo so do mani ehunu ye o place bia omu si aka o league ni mu nyina no omu recommend bi o report ni ani nyina empay for ever be follow be me de ne say empay me bon say be start season now we Asante Kotoko play now we nod no now your opportunity esa ba back bi e be say God ma Asante Kotoko me empay ne say Menzo e be hu na afi won so what ma bo ni nya be gina mo de bon so Nina ebejina omodin bonso ana be ma owura no decision enso tima kokama and I'm not say Abante Fennis Jumano Enchi latest update anyway the me picking say Enchi enya na adwen say obeto so dem Asante Kotoko I can confirm it to you say Jumano Enchi desire say person free Kotoko 90% desire to stay 10% from a branch of fence is no entry. Fine, Obaka se prakakra atuchima. Fine, Obaka se timdakakra atuchima. But you could say one of the players no performance from Kabe Kofom Adabo was Sura. Now to me can Nijimo entry and enfant free. Playing time who I have been so the man at a point in deciding who Jimu. Media Second paying for better mama Jimono entry, another chance to continue. Ebie can be the best out of Jimono entry. But as such a boy and cast when you're willing. But Sumiowe Amajin and pay for better my conversation on entry. If I'm up a boy now, if I'm up a boy now, and tell your latest update here, if you also ever no. About your friend said, Baba Yaya. Yet are two men say, Baba Yaya, come on. Baba, so you're happy. Oh, yes. Baba Yaya, and so you're happy. The desire for Baba Yaya to leave to join another club, no, and so make mama just 95%. I can confirm it to you. Make mama just 95% say Baba Yaya so want to move from Asante Kotoko club nim. And I'm not say again stars etima ba nkomonim. Kwa samobodu ehiya abrante fan say eye Baba Yaya. Ah just say enya sam ketua. Then if you look at Baba Yaya's quality ekutana. Oh, when you know na nkoma nessa kad nipa Asante Kotoko be for John be channel nessa ka ba da nessa ka why dey wa ba da to monitor the situation e so fine say da be ya metakar say we monitor players no be clips but e bia enye ni nyina nessa de e kan ye e bia de nipa ko ye so otwa de ko no enye ne bia otwa de ko ye ana ma me di ya me move for the players. Because we templates edo mo si wonu ma ebia ka menzo eba ye ebia ka time ko ba say ye be we season ebia ka menzo eba ya you could carry second bia menzo betima take final opportunity to maintain some place or club nim enti baba so de no baba pesa no so de enso etimi ko Hilary Lord Adabo Adabo no jame pick no office bit da ho. Yes. Hilary Lord Adabo office be added how the ma Adabo a nipa na only the initiatives no jame pick no say ono so etima holding yama on. Yes. Ono so e de etima holding yama on. Na club omonya de ma Adabo no or competing with player bia agent bi so da come club no or competing with player bia agent bi enya da come club no so decision for branch fans say Hilary Lord Adabo to join another club no enso ade ba kwa no eda wa sempen for ente ya confirm me da mom e wo channel we say so I can confirm it to you. Sa office pampe ya chichini boso and that table so and that table so the Adabo se be sem pay for se omo bibia omo yen time no day and also tell from Hilary Lord Adabo ya de emomo paten komo ne de ayasemo ana promise Ghana football association edo chopa ababontin mo de chopa kese pa ede Emma Thomas Patena for the family ewo ishia ekoba ibetu de asem papa de yentiwe Emma sisi
Charlie, I feel for Thomas Partey. Unze Lucy you have to fall for him because of Nyama Partey go through no you don't wish even for your enemies Obe Thomas Partey but I like the argument of Thomas Partey's lawyer. Now, baby Ojina na Honda Ewinina and is granting temporary entry permits.
Well, the man kakre bi no mfa nwura mu kobo ball on be ehwe because the man bobo no nko
because my modi amama nkofo bi da
yeah osteti
omo na omo boni Alex
accept them so
you granted them temporary
stay
entry permits.
Yeah.
omode ebetina komo ye omodwuma. And she even went out and said they don't care if there are restrictions.
Yeah. So maybe obe fakra inform. What the money say hotel to stadium.
Yeah.
Obe yen sa pepe
or one ball no ko. Now you see, I've heard the argument about say, oh, I didn't Ghana for waste time. So they one match, but there be if when you are butre after a friend is saying, when you are butre the groupings and the workout schedules now. Oben, say Ghana, it was second in our group. Automatic, our run of 32 you're born in Canada. That is number one. See, it also means young born 32 in Canada. But if you're able to qualify to run of 16, you are going to Canada.
To Canada, on the idea before.
That is how the schedule is. It's a ademienu. Udi second automatically. Say ya fight and clear part o miss run of the two automatically our group no. What be second bia no okwa Canada akobo run of 62. What be third in our group no. Say udi third na we one of the third best teams na. Umbo run of 32 no e Canada. But what me you operate free mo run of 16 no. Over Canada. So how the permutation is the reason why Ghana in your brain, so if you are following the oh now they say one match again China Panama no say about USA 2 games no there be they are not fighting just because of what's game no but they are looking into the future. So that be say a qualifier say the party will have the chance to go and play those games no. Now American I like lawyer no position no. One, it is very clear say they are hopeful with the form why mistaken why
your failure form no
you can't blame him too much too because
oh you the paper be there ti say duru ona no emia na okọ
obia o say no in block o and obia dey the same thing say no me obia dey no mo ko you understand eti party nso no you can't blame him because documents they don't go through it. I just want to show you follow my you know. The reason why they don't go through is say processor for the one with the so you can't blame party, you can't blame the FE.
Because FE they no in block.
As
in nipa be they no fail for.
A bad day and there most of the say a party will case be it's on
choose one am information.
Thomas Party on the other side you can't blame him because oh my visa man sa
to ajomudi
say you is your man man because one he has been in the 5-year visa no years when a year
yeah
they've taken away his 5 years on my Jeffrey in same eti nyekwa na anu yai every for na koye man na okoje visa man or USA eti the reason why you can't blame party say he trusts them because omana visa amana ntino ye the man no all he has to do was to sign the document and he's going eti I want to believe say all the things that have gone on no baby I
follow party lawyer case ni statement ni defense as against a minister of citizenship immigration of Canada no also anger no the buy now is it possible because judge in so mo first one now the first strength of party mo say we are meeting the charges say when you na ye judge in so say there be wo sign e dia na ye and I say you na ye kra na say sana be sign e so hwem it looks like a man phone say just because judge and accept that Levan say reaction from the Canadian immigration system as a honor ya man is difficult for party.
Oh yes, yes, we accept it. But America no, that is why they are now fighting on permanent resident, temporary resident permit no, because now no, enye adia our bestie ayejuma and as our baby bia or offend saying sorry our Canada on he's only coming to play game. After the game Ghana moves back to their camp base to go and start preparing for their game. It's very interesting. Maybe you don't want to be in the shoes of Thomas Partey right now. What is going through now?
And see, I know, said in common SCT, I don't know. Well, I think a hardly. Sir Partey, any case, be a dark a changing community. Oka krana na changing community bet you better say na my day enso ebesi akọ elho about fans who bejo Mr. Stanley Menzo a person who bejo stay to continue again. Yes, na wabomodin ewrem or the camp of Joe any Joe camp on edin komo say amunya abotere enfama boy no anafe Asante Kotoko na for no ase Menzo na season aba be starting abrante efe ne se Joe or proper plans e de ma abrante efe se Joe be tia so manage pa it was a me starting me ka se wi chem se place ye be starting season se place etimi ayire omo ho a me wagidie pa se ru efe ne se Menzo but for the club no akonto bi betime piepiem e de ma boys na enkoya Africa anko de mo ekwakoy Europes say be guys na omo so betima ide enso tima ko akire wanda so ko nam Tanzania Zambia ene ada amama sata dabi this Menzo perekosa and pay for our bontin town official statement of buy no you could currencies opinion agency obey adwuma do here emre do here opportunity do here also benya asundwie enti hu bejaw to stay for another 1 year eh ba ko na me no ka say Asante Kotoko data football yura Mr. Menzo etema propose era ko boy in camp say omun so na fi omun hwe ara bibia anya den enso entimi nkose na moa na enema enkoye emfa eyede enkoye emfa ma club no Nations FC to de tienie I can confirm it to you say Nations FC so ne coach efere say Frimpong Manso eto kwanta omapai omo the official announcement about Bonton with assistant coach which oro efere say Frimpong Manso enu elbue kwan ama coach efere say Abubakar Watara this has fortune in Kenya omo nya ha if they reach say coach Abubakar Watara ever return to the club again Nations ajo coach kwan and you catch almost Nations I prefer someone coach Abubakar Watara be Africa for the CAF Confederation Cup ni biu ntitogo afede fine mawulu wayomo Hamza mo opportunity aba omo nyina efrim ekose Welele United I say wiki ya mpay for we bibia tum transfer no kra no ehun sansam so e da ban ne da ho ban ne dey enso e da ho but the from eba no Nations FC e person mu take lead no to a point owura je fen say eye coach Abubakar Watara na oba belidi adwuma no na enu so atima bana afa adwuma no enso e dey enso atima afa no tuma pa enso atima afa ahoroma yede ehun sam no edi eltuma no no pe eho Asante Kotoko transfers yura Mr. Menzo and Ora your friend say the scout member out of Ashtown and then Minoka so amo eye adwuma I can confirm it to you this morning say Asante Kotoko from paying for a monitor the situation of Ebenezer Aban miso tiemiye Asante Kotoko from paying for a monitor the situation of Abrante Fenise Ebenezer Aban of Heart of Lions. 2 Abrante Osina Academy Bechem United Fenise Kofi Tompo the next latest player and Emenoka se wawrem ewa Asante Kotoko and pay for lesson so no anyway Osama start eyin kaka kradeba Kofi Tompo I can confirm it to you say na Emenoka say what the Asante Kotoko lesson so with Abrante a ye fenise Ebenezer Aban she acha say that so make us me me sha se me kasem bi and am akada ba besi so edema mi and akwa no kuta qualities in fact Kofi Tompo ekuta qualities and they may pick in say some clips bi a Mr. Menzo ana fenin paying for enya no omo ye okay with a branch of friend say Kofi Tompo enti dachi bi ya da so na so wote Kofi Tompo Asante Kotoko akwani mu a behind the scene story ana me de Emma with a branch of Ebenezare aban. Don't forget say no proba obe subscribe na fe were onso atima won say coach bi din say bi tuja so nya Kotoko dwuma no be but me be ma me hu adwuma at the right time na fe the whole voice near there enso atima na fe ni nyina no ya hwe ama bibia enso ere enso atimi akoso.